This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Spark plugs renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Depress the locking clip and disconnect the wiring plug from each ignition coil. Undo the retaining bolt and pull each ignition coil upwards. Note that it's not necessary for the coils to be refitted to their original locations. Using a spark plug socket and extension, unscrew and remove each of the spark plugs. If necessary, use a magnetic tool to withdraw the spark plugs. It is often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of plastic hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the aluminium cylinder head. Tighten the plugs to the specified torque. Press the ignition coils firmly down onto the spark plugs, then insert the retaining bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Securely reconnect the wiring plugs to the ignition coils. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.